Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to add bundle and save option just like Bleame.com. So if you want know, Bleame is one of the most successful Shopify store, and if you want to add a bundle and save just like Bleame.com, in this video I'll show you. So if you want to purchase the Bleame template as well, the link will be given in the description as well. So let's begin with the tutorial, and I will guide you step by step how to add something similar to that. So the first step will be install this app, which the link will be given in the description, which is caching bundle app, and this app will help you to increase your order value as well. So this is one of the must have app to create bundle just like Bleame app. So then after clicking the first link in the description, just click install to install that app into our store. The installation process will be very easier. So just click install and this app will be installed, and it will give us 14-day free trial to trust and to try this app. Then click on install app, and after that the app will be installed, and we can very easily with few clicks create a similar looking bundle just like Bleame.com. Then you need to click on create a deal, and as I am using in a development store, this is the message I am getting. Then click on create a deal, and then you just need to give this bundle a name, and this name can be according to your product. So I have a product just like Bleame have something similar to that product, and I will give this particular product, this bundle, something name similar to my product Zlimi. Okay, so now after giving a name for identify, you can also change the headline. They have a bundle and save in Bleame.com. You can choose something else, so I am remaining it bundle and save as well. Then visibility for that particular app, which product should be selected, we will click on a specific product, and then I just want to select this product. So I will only select that product. You can add multiple products that also. You can choose the layout, whatever layout you thinks looks best. And now we need to do the after setting, which is for one quantity it will remain the same pricing, right? It will remain the same pricing, but you can change the name single to one pack. For two quantity, what we can do, we can choose a percentage discount, like 10% discount if people buy two, 20% discount if they buy three, or we can choose a specific percentage of product, a specific product like a specific pricing, or a specific discount like $20 discount, $40 discount, $45 discount. This type of thing also can be added here as well. They have given that option, and we can also change the name according to that also. So the option is available. You can choose whatever option suit against with you, and you can also change the name to single, do three, or to one pack, two pack, three pack, anything you want. So the option is there. Just play with the option, and whatever you think goes best with you, just choose that, and then the other things will be work perfectly. Then we can just you can see there is a most popular drop down menu here as well, which you can enable to show something that it is most popular and it is also purchased mostly than other quantity. So this will also increase and grab attention to your end user. So there is a multiple setting. You can choose whatever setting, but percentage also makes sense, so I will go with percentage for both of the products. After that, you can change the colors, the red color, what the background color should be, what the text color should be. Everything can be changed according to your brand. And after doing that, click on publish to publish this bundle into our store. Okay, so you just need to click on publish, and after publishing that, we need to add that into our Shopify theme. We need to enable and embed the theme into our Shopify theme. So click on active, and this will activate the Shopify theme panel. That means online store and customize. When we click customize into our panel, that open that. So after that, as you can see, it is redirecting me to my theme panel, to my customized panel, where app embed, any app that you are working with should be enabled, unless the app will not work perfectly. So it will take some time to load that panel, and you will find there is a check mark beside that particular product. So as you can see, caching bundle is enabled. Then click save to save that particular theme, enable that theme into product, into our Shopify store. Then refresh it and this will work perfectly. And then just we need to go to our this product that we have added that bundle for. The product is there in my products panel, and I will click on preview, and you will find that a similar looking bundle section has been added. just like a Bleame.com have the bundle and save option, and this how very easily you can add a bundle just like a Bleame.com. So I hope that video is helpful. If that, please do smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, so let me in the comment as well. So thank you very much for watching the video.